Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and a good night's sleep is so important for our health and well-being, but sometimes it can be hard to fall asleep. My kids occasionally have trouble falling asleep at night, whether it's because they're anxious about the next day or because we are on vacation and in a new environment. So I decided to give these melatonin gummies a try, since they can have a hard time swallowing pills. My kids think these taste great. They taste like a cherry flavored gummy bear, so they're really easy to take at night. I have tried them myself as well, and I'll fall asleep as fast as half an hour after I've taken one. So they really do work. Occasionally, we all may need a little help getting a good night's rest. These melatonin gummies taste great and they work really well. And that's my point of view.